with honey and cinnamon on it. I put it on my story and so many of you guys have been trying it. I know it's basic as fuck, but I'm telling you, it is so good. Good morning. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm gonna finalize the design so that I can send it over to the graphic designer so that he can adjust it in Photoshop because you guys need like and I'm gonna make dinner. You guys see this to-do list here? I've actually gone most of it done. There's only 2 things left, and actually one of them I can't even do. There's only 1 thing left, and I'm pretty proud of myself for actually sitting my ass down and getting things done. Lately, this past week, I've actually been doing it. I've actually been waking up every single... Actually, a habit that I think that I'm actually starting is working out every single morning because I've been doing it for the past like month now, which is crazy. But like now I'm actually like going down and running at least like, sometimes I'll be like 10 minutes, but it's like the fact that I'm actually going down there and doing it, because like I started off when I started doing the habit was I would literally just go to the gym for like 2 minutes or just put my workout clothes on just to like get myself in the act of doing it, and that was the first start. But oh my gosh, me actually finally referencing the book Atomic Habits and following it instead of just rereading it like 5 times and not actually applying it to my life, so proud of myself. Something that I've been doing that has been helping my to-do list a lot is 1, breaking them down into like little chunks instead of just being like do this one big thing. I will break down the tasks in the one big thing, and then over here I just have like little tasks. I don't know, basically they're just like little things that like would be nice to get done but they're not actually urgent or important, such as booking flights, calling somebody, editing TikToks, emailing people, you know what I mean? Like those like are important, but at the end of the day, like if you really think about it, like are these gonna help me get to where I want to be, like my goals? So like some of these things will shift over to the next day and to the next day and to the next day, but these are the things that are actually super important that I actually have to get done, because I feel like when you bunch these 2 up, like the things that are kind of like little into the things that are actually important, sometimes you'll start doing the little things and then you leave the big tasks for last. And also, oh my gosh, my brain's actually working right now. I've been starting my days by doing the most difficult tasks first instead of just picking whatever. Like I've been doing the thing like, all right, what is the most important thing that will get me towards my goal? Like what is that big thing that I actually really need to get done? And I start with that because I have the most brain power to do it, because if you wait till the end of the day, then most likely you're not gonna get it done, and then you're gonna feel like because you didn't get what you actually needed to get done. But you started doing a bunch of other little tasks which made you feel productive during the day, but at the end of the day you look at it and you're like, I didn't actually get done what I needed to get done. Anyways. Only in New York City. This is so cool. Oh my god, wait, I didn't even see him. Holy shit. This is crazy. Can I just get a small popcorn, please? Yes.
And butter?
Yes, layer that please, thank you.
Butter?
Yes.
You put butter on popcorn?
Yeah. Ugh, man's hooked it up. You get the fresh popcorn.
I'm just so confused. Everything in America to me is just so confusing. No wonder you all just like die early. Just kidding. I love American people.
Oh my gosh, you the best. Can someone please tell me why it is 4 a.m. right now and I'm about to film a skincare routine for you guys because I don't know either. Story time. One time I went to a dermatologist in America, and being Canadian, I didn't realize how expensive the healthcare system was, and tell me why they billed me for $300. Not with Curology anymore. Thank you so much to Curology for sponsoring this video. Basically, if you guys don't know, Curology has like a custom skincare formula. I used to do like a 20-step skincare routine, and y'all were coming for my neck being like, Mai, that's literally the reason why you have acne. And I just didn't believe you guys. I'm trying to like be cute in like those skincare commercials, but it's like not working. If I be using too many crazy products with crazy ingredients, then my skin likes to flare up and be all dramatic. But you know what? You are on the outside what you are on the inside. So even though I switch around my skincare a lot, something that I always go back to is Curology. And the reason why is because it's simple, but that was not smooth whatsoever. But with Curology, they have a custom formula box that gets shipped to you every single month. Okay. You can go online, okay? Go to Curology.com and use my link. You guys can do this like little quiz. It's super fun. Because like, you know, it's all about yourself, and I know you guys are self-absorbed and love talking about yourself. But you go in there and you put all your skincare concerns. You put, are you oily, dry, combination? Do you have acne on your back or your face? Or where is it? Why? Because they also have a body wash. Yup, they have that literally wasn't the logo. They have an acne body wash. By the way though, I just want to say when you're doing this quiz, don't expect to be out here being a scientist making your own skincare formula. The dermatology provider does that for you. So before you thought, this actually right here is my custom formula. This is all I only use at night though. I use one pump, and not everybody's is gonna be the same. A consultation may be required. Then your dermatology provider will provide you with a custom formula that will get shipped out to you, and it comes with a moisturizer, a little night moisturizer, a cleanser, all that stuff. And Curology also has emergency spot patches. Yeah, these bad boys that you can put on your pimples as well. Anyways, enough talking because I do that too much already. You guys can try Curology for free for 1 month and only pay $5 for shipping and handling at Curology. It's not Curology.com. It's just Curology/mine. Anyways, link in the description. Consultation may be required. All right, yesterday I picked up some packages and I already unboxed a lot of them, like the Celsius and all of that stuff. But I'm gonna save this to open today. This is M&M's. They sent me another PR package, which was so crazy because the last one that I opened was insane. They gave me like a record player and everything. But not gonna lie, I think this one is solely just chocolate. And curated by Lil Nas X. Yeah, because I bet Lil Nas X was fucking in the M&M shop. Oh my god, these literally have his face on it. Oh my god, I want to eat his face. Sounds disgusting. This is so much chocolate. Like, what am I meant to do with this? Hey guys, welcome back to my morning routine. First, I have a super nutritious breakfast. Okay, I just got this Dyson Airwrap the other day after literally debating on getting it for like 2 years now, and I finally did it because I was like, oh my gosh, like y'all were telling me in my comments that I should do my hair more often and stuff like that. I was like, you know what, maybe I should. And I think I need to learn how to use it, but off the initial bat, I think I really like it. I didn't use any product in my hair though, so that's why it's not like super voluminous or anything, but I think it just like elevates everything so much more. I really like it. The price tag I don't like, but I think that once I start to learn how to use this, it could be really good. What do you guys think? I think it just like makes my hair look so shiny and smooth, and usually I just like leave my hair to air dry, but this may be the move, you know? All right, this is the outfit that I have going on right now. The shoes definitely don't match, but all right, let's head out. There's a market going on right now at Pier 17, and oh my gosh, it is so cute. I am such a whore for markets. Like, I think it's the cutest thing ever. And the weather right now is so beautiful. It's like hazy outside, but like it's like 17 degrees. It's perfect. Sterling Jr., the original Sterling. Honey? Oh, I do want honey. I've been obsessed and on my honey and apple grind, and I think that I need to get like real honey instead of like the shit that I got from the bodega. You guys don't know I have a crippling sugar addiction. All right, I got the brownie. Well, I already ate the cookie before I vlogged it, but I got a brownie and a cheese empanada. Cheers. They're so good. Like so good. I'm gonna get another one. Also, it is so pretty out right now. Okay, so we're gonna head into the Tin Building. They just built this a couple months ago, but oh my gosh, it's like literally the most bougie market I've ever been to in my entire life. You're gonna see exactly what I mean. Like, I love it. Like, are you for real right now? A wine bar and like a raw bar just like inside. That's so sick. Don't even get me started on the grocery store section. Like, it's crazy. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, no way. Oh my gosh, and their packaging is just adorable. Not the pineapple. SpongeBob, hello. We're going upstairs. This is so beautiful. They have so many different restaurants up here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I am in This is so beautiful. But these little like dishes, oh my gosh. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with the cover art for this. Guys, I need to come back here and just like spend a whole day shopping here with you guys. Wow. This is literally just like a Japanese store. Oh my gosh. Everything is just so beautiful. This plate is so fire. Oh my gosh. And this dish set. Guys, I think we need to come back here and do like another like cooking vlog. Maybe if I buy my place. Maybe I should start using recipe books. Oh my gosh. I'm getting so inspired. I think buying the Dyson Airwrap was the move. If you guys are debating on getting one, definitely get one. It is very expensive, so maybe don't if you have bills to pay, but... Okay, currently we're headed over to Dumbo House, which is like, you guys don't know what Soho House is? What is it? It's like a members only...
It's just like a members only club for like people in the creative industry, I think. I don't know.
And you have to like pay a monthly membership that's pretty expensive, and then you also have to like get accepted and apply and everything like that. The last time I was here, I saw my husband bread fires, but it's just a vibe there. It's a vibe. I was told yesterday that I speak very Californian, and now that somebody pointed it out, I actually want to unalive myself. But that's where we're headed, Dumbo House. I got the penne alla vodka. It's vegan. Cheers. It's basic, but it's half off. In New York. Good morning. It is another day. It's Tuesday. I worked out at the gym for like 10 minutes, but at least I went down there. But I don't really have much in my fridge right now, but I just made a kale salad with trumpet mushrooms, tomatoes, cucumbers, fried tofu with some like sesame on top, and then I just used up the extra 2 eggs that I had in the fridge. But have y'all ever tried soy sauce on eggs? Because I grew up eating this shit and it's so good. It's like liquid salt. I'm gonna eat this and then get to work. Okay, y'all, randomly, okay, I'm at this thing for YouTube invited me because they wanted to fucking hear me chat their fucking ears off about how YouTube could be better. And they put me in a hotel room, even though I live in New York City. 7-year-old me is screaming, and 19-year-old me is still screaming. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, are you guys seeing this right now? Little treats too? This is gorgeous. I don't want to sleep at home tonight, I want to sleep here. You're in the meeting room. I'm getting a little nervy. I ain't never done this before. I feel like I'm a CEO or something, but bitch, it's definitely not that. Apparently, I actually don't know what this is, but I'm excited. This is crazy. I want some raspberry water. Pour. This is so good. Okay, I'm in the bathroom right now, and they have mouthwash and soap and all these goodies. We just finished the first meeting, and I just was so annoying. I talked their ears off.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test, got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.